Hello student, in the last lecture we have seen that examples in question number 4 in exercise 1.3 which is depends on implicit function. Now we take examples in question number 5 in exercise 1.3. This also depends on implicit function. The first question, if log of x plus y equal to log of xy plus p, where p is a constant, then prove that dy by dx equal to minus y square by x square. In the previous example, we have to show that dy by dx equal to y by x square, but here it is equal to minus y square by x square. Now we solve it. Given log of x plus y is equal to log of xy plus p. So we have to given here. Then put this log of x plus y as it is equal to, we use here log of a into b, it is log of a plus log b, means log x plus log y plus constant b. Now we differentiate with respect to x. We get, so the derivative of log of x plus y is 1 by x plus y into, by chain rule, again derivative of x plus y is equal to, again derivative of log x is 1 by x plus derivative of log y is 1 by y into, by chain rule, dy by dx, and plus constant, its derivative 0. Now, so we take its derivative, this term as it is 1 by x plus y into derivative of x with respect to x is 1 plus derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx is equal to 1 by x as it is plus 1 by y as it is into dy by dx as it is. Now we multiply this term to this term, 1 by x plus y into 1, it is 1 by x plus y plus 1 by x plus y into dy by dx is equal to this term as it is into dy by dx. Now we take dy by dx terms in LHS and without dy by dx term in RHS. So here 1 by x plus y is the dy by dx term, then minus 1 by y, and we take common dy by dx from these two terms is equal to, now here remaining terms 1 by x, then this terms is minus 1 by x plus y. We take here cross multiplication and LCM, so y into 1, it is y minus x plus y, so due to this minus it is a minus y divided by y into x plus y into dy by dx is equal to, here also we take cross multiplication and LCM, so x plus y into 1, it is x plus y minus x into 1, it is x divided by x into x plus y. Now this plus y and minus y will get cancelled. Again here in the right hand side also this plus x minus x will get cancelled. Remaining terms minus x upon y into x plus y into dy by dx is equal to, in the right hand side, y by x into x plus y. Now we take this bracket in the right hand side. In the left hand side there is a dy by dx only. Now y by x into x plus y. When we take this bracket, total bracket in the right hand side, it is in the division to this term, and then we convert division into multiplication. That's why take its reciprocal. So into y into x plus y divided by x, or here minus x, we have here minus, into, now this minus sign we write here because into here multiplication is here. Now again same terms, x plus y, numerator and denominator will get cancelled. It gives only minus y into y, it is minus y square divided by x into x, it is x square. That's why, and hence proved dy by dx is equal to minus y by x square. Hence we put, hence proved. Now second example, if log of x cube minus y cube upon x cube plus y cube to the base 10 is equal to 2, then show that dy by dx equal to minus 99x square upon 101 y square. So given log of x cube minus y cube divided by x cube plus y cube is equal to 2 to the base 10. Here again we use a definition of log. If a, m and x are real numbers and if a is not equal to 1, then such that a raised to x equal to m, then this x is called log m to the base a. If a raised to x equal to m, x is called log m to the base a, and this is the logarithmic form and this is exponential form and logarithmic form. So only here it is logarithmic form, so we have to convert it into exponential form. So it gives log of x cube minus y cube, exponential form, x cube minus y cube upon x cube plus y cube is equal to 10 square. M a to the power x equal to m. M means here it is 2. Here m means here this bracket, a means here it is 10, then a to the power x means here 10 to the power 2, it is 10 square, and it is 100. It is 100. Now we take this term in the right hand side. So it gives x cube minus y cube is equal to 100 into x cube plus y cube it gives 100 x cube plus 100 y cube, x cube minus y cube. Take this x cube in this side. So x cube minus 100 x cube is equal to 100 y cube. Take this minus y cube in the right hand side. It becomes plus y cube. X cube minus 100 x cube, it is a minus 99 x cube is equal to, here 100 y cube plus y cube, it is 101 y cube. Now we write it properly here. 101 y cube is equal to minus 99 x cube. Now we differentiate it with respect to x. So here 101 is a constant. So derivative of y cube is 3y square into, again here by chain rule means, or derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx is equal to minus 99 is a constant into derivative of x cube is 3x square. Now take this term 103y square in the right hand side, dy by dx is equal to minus 99, and cancel out this 3 here. So 101 divided by 101 y square here, and hence we have to show that dy by dx equal to minus 99 x square upon 100 and y square here. Hence we have to show that. Now this example, if e raised to x plus e raised to y equal to e raised to x plus y, then show that dy by dx equal to minus e to the power y minus x here. These are the exponential function given that e raised to x plus e raised to y is equal to e raised to x plus y. Call equation first. Now we differentiate it with respect to x. We get derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x plus, again derivative of e raised to y is e raised to y, but it is y, that's why dy by dx is equal to derivative of e raised to x plus y is e raised to x plus y into by chain rule, or we find its derivative of x plus y. It is the composite function. Now e raised to x plus e raised to y into dy by dx is equal to e raised to x plus y as it is into derivative of x with respect to x is 1 plus derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx. Now we multiply this e raised to x plus y to this term is equal to e raised to x plus y into 1, it is e raised to x plus y plus e raised to x plus y into dy by dx. And this left hand side is as it is. Now we take this dy by d terms in the left hand side and without dy by d terms in the right hand side, and when we take this dy by dx terms in the left hand side and then take a common dy by dx, So term is e raised to y minus e raised to x plus y, and we take common dy by dx. First of all, here we take this term, it is minus e raised to x plus y. This e raised to y as it is, and we take common dy by dx. Now again in the right hand side, e raised to x plus y as it is here. Now this term in the left hand side, that's why it is minus. Now here from equation 1 we write this e raised to x plus y, e raised to x plus y from 1, e raised to x plus y from 1, it is e raised to x plus e raised to y, we write here e raised to x plus e raised to y. Due to this minus sign, this plus becomes again minus e raised to y into dy by dx is equal to, again here e raised to x plus y, e raised to x plus y, it is e raised to x plus e raised to y minus e raised to x from equation 1. Equation 1. Now here plus e raised to y and minus e raised to y will get cancelled. In the right hand side also plus e raised to x and minus e raised to x will get cancelled. It is only minus e raised to x dy by dx is equal to e raised to y. It is only e raised to y. Now take this term, this minus e raised to x in the right hand side, and that's why it is dy by dx is equal to e raised to y by e raised to x, and it is minus. Now we take this e raised to x in the numerator here, so that's why it is minus e raised to y into e raised to minus x, it is dy by dx here. But in here in the base, in the multiplication of two functions or multiplication here, that's why when base are same, then subtract the power minus e to the power y minus x, and hence we have to show that dy by dx equal to minus e to the power y minus x. Now this next example, if x to the power y equal to e to the power x minus y, then show that dy by dx equal to log x upon 1 plus log x whole square. Here the function का पावर फंक्शन है, since x to the power y, we take log on both sides. Given x to the power y is equal to e to the power x minus y, taking log on both sides. So log of x to the power y is equal to log of e to the power x minus y. Now again we use rule of logarithm, log of m raised to n, it is m log n, it is y log x is equal to x minus y into log e. But the value of log e is 1, so that's why it is x minus y into 1 only, or 1, no need write 2, because log e equal to 1, y into log x, this as it is. Now we take this minus y in the left hand side, so it is plus y plus y into log x equal to x only. And now again we take y common from these two terms. When we take y common, so it becomes 1 plus log x into y is equal to x. We take common y, that's why it is 1, then it is log x. Now we take this bracket in the right hand side. So y equal to x by x upon 1 plus log x. Now we differentiate these terms with respect to x here. Here we use u by rule of derivative u by v. So derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx is equal to v as it is, means 1 plus log x. It is u, x is u, and this bracket is v. So u as it is, v as it is, v as it is means 1 plus log x as it is into derivative of u. U means here x minus then u as it is means x as it is into derivative of 1 plus log x and whole divided by 1 plus log x whole square. Here 1 plus log x as it is into derivative of x with respect to x is 1 minus x into derivative of 1 is 0 and derivative of log x is 1 by x. It is 1 by x divided by 1 plus log x whole square. It is v square. This x will get cancelled. It is only 1 plus log x into 1. It is 1 plus log x only, and this minus 1 only divided by 1 plus log x whole square. This is dy by dx. Now this plus 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled, and therefore it is only log x divided by 1 plus log x whole square. This is equal to dy by dx, and hence we have to show that dy by dx is equal to log x upon 1 plus log x whole square. Now next. Now in this example, y equal to root of cos x plus root of cos x plus root of cos x plus so on to infinity, then show that dy by dx equal to sin x upon 1 minus 2y. In this type of examples, so we take a square on both sides. Square on both sides. So given y equal to root of cos x plus root of cos x plus root of cos x and plus so on to infinity. Squaring on both sides. So it is y square equal to, so first square root it removes when we square out here, squaring on both sides. So it is cos x plus this term, it is y, because when we hide this first bracket, first square root here, that's why it is only y here. root of cos x plus root of cos x plus root of. That's why we take is square first and then it is y only. We write only y. So after that we take its derivative with respect to x. So differentiate with respect to x we get. So the derivative of y square is 2y into dy by dx is equal to derivative of cos x is minus sin x plus derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx. And take this minus sin x in this side, left hand side, and this 2y into dy by dx in the right hand side. That's why it is sin x equal to dy by dx minus 2y dy by dx. Now take common dy by dx. 1 minus 2y into dy by dx is equal to sin x. Now for suitable we interchange its side here. 1 minus 2y into dy by dx is equal to sin x. We interchange its side. Now take this bracket in the right hand side. Dy by dx is equal to sin x upon 1 minus 2y, and hence we have to show that dy by dx equal to sin x upon 1 minus 2y. Hence we have to show that. Now this example, if y equal to x to the power x to the power x to the power so on to infinity, then show that dy by dx equal to y square upon x into 1 minus log y. So this type of example, so we write here its power is y, because when we hide this x, it is again x to the power up to infinity, means it is again y. That's why we write here y. So given y equal to x to the power and so on to infinity, y equal to x to the power y, again here due to this x to the power y, we taking log on both sides. So it is log y is equal to log x to the power y. Here we write this, we take rule of log of m raised to n, it is m log n, it is y into log x, it is log y. Call equation 1. Now we differentiate it with respect to x. We get, so the derivative of log y is 1 by y into dy by dx. Derivative of y with respect to dy by dx is equal to, here we use product rule of differentiation, u and v. U as it is derivative of v plus v as it is derivative of u. U as it is means y as it is into derivative of log x. So derivative of log x is 1 by x. First function as it is derivative of second plus second function as it is means v as it is into derivative of u means dy by dx. Here actually it is y by x plus log x into dy by dx as it is. Now we take this log x dy by dx term in the right hand side, in the left hand side, and without dy by dx term is there is only one terms in the right hand side. In the left hand side there is no without dy by dx term. 1 by y dy by dx, take this term in the left hand side, minus log x into dy by dx is equal to only y by x. Now we take common dy by dx from these terms, these two terms, 1 by y minus log x into dy by dx is equal to y by x. Now we simplify this, 1 minus y into log x divided by y into dy by dx is equal to y by x. Now we take total bracket in the right hand side. Then it gives dy by dx is equal to y by x divided by, then we take its multiplication, take its reciprocal, y by 1 minus y into log x, and then multiply this y into y, it is y square upon x into this 1 minus y log x. But from 1, this y log x, from 1, y log x is nothing but only log y. It is only log y from 1. 1 minus y log x is log y only. 1 minus log y, it is only, it is dy by dx. Hence we have shown that, we have seen that dy by dx equal to y square by x into 1 minus log y, and in this way question number 5 also, this exercise 1.3 is complete here. Hope you understand. Today we stop here.